guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. So today guys, we are doing a dedicated video, and it's to give thank you to Karen for sending me this beautiful belated birthday present. I really do appreciate it. She placed 2 orders from 2 different companies. So Beautylish was the main company. Now I didn't know Beautylish delivered to the UK because I've obviously never ordered from there. I had a look at the Jeffree Star, I think it was a Thirsty palette, and I was going to get it. That's still in my basket now because when Karen said that she'd ordered something for me, I just went over there and had a look on the website. That's still in my basket, so I might get that at a later date. But yeah, just let me take the black tissue paper out. I was so worried when I found out Hermes were delivering, because the first Natasha Denona palette I got from them, yeah, this is a Natasha Denona palette by the way guys, the first Natasha Denona palette I got from them came broken. 2 shades came broken. I managed to repress them, but I didn't know if I'd be able to repress this one. Let's talk about this Beautylish order first. Okay. So the main gift of Karen was this, and if you've been on my channel recently, I've been trying to talk myself out of buying the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. Now I've wanted it, but the finances just aren't there guys. I'm not currently working and I don't have £60 extra to go out and buy this palette. It's a beautiful palette, but I thought I could dupe it within my collection, and I am going to be doing a dupe video just to see how close my eyeshadows that I kind of thought were dupes is to these ones here. So let's open it up. We will be doing swatches. I'm going to try and get the swatches up relatively soon. And this is matte. It's completely matte. It's not like any of Natasha Denona's palettes that I've had anyway. They all seem to have like, they all seem to be like mirrored, so if you put like your fingers on them, they get marks. She hasn't done, as far as I know, like matte packaging before, especially not in these midi palettes. So I'm really appreciative of that. It's absolutely gorgeous. I showed my sister this palette and she said, oh, I like the packaging, it's really nice. And I'm like, I know, right? These 2 shades are probably my favourites as well in pastel colours, especially the mint green. So yeah, absolutely love this palette. And then inside, I thought I didn't need it. I even said, a video's going up tonight as I film this on the 30th of March. I even said to myself, what planet did I think that I needed this palette? Just purely because I have got 20 palettes. 13 of them are all pastel palettes. So yeah, this is what it looks like guys. I wanted to show you before I stuck my grubby fingers in it. I mean, is that not a thing of beauty? It just looks so beautiful. There's not one shade in this palette that I don't like, so that's what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to do the swatches with you. It seems, I don't know how right I am, but it seems like the pans are a little bit smaller. Let me just go and get one of my other Natasha Denona palettes. So this will be my 10th one guys, and I've not bought all 10 obviously. I think there's like, so let's just go through it. So Karen's got me this one, my mum got me one for Christmas, Naomi got me one, and Lisa got me a mini, my sister got me 2 minis, so I've actually only bought 3 palettes, and I've got 10. So yeah, I am really lucky. I am really blessed to have friends and family that do buy me makeup. I just feel really incredibly lucky. I'm just going to get another palette and just see if it's got the same amount in. Yeah, so I was curious about it. I didn't think it had the same amount in. So this one has got 19.25 grams, 0.67 ounces. I think it's because I've not used one of these midi palettes for a while. Same. absolutely same amount. I was going to say it's pretty crappy if it's not the same amount. There was a rumour that Natasha Denona palette was going to be £5 extra, but in the UK at least it's not. I mean, they're the pan sizes in the bronze, and you've seen the ones in the pastel. So yeah, I'm super excited to be using this palette. It will appear on the channel in some kind of format really soon. So she gifted me that, and then she also ordered me this from Beautylish. So it's the original beauty blender. Now I've wanted to try this ever since they were released, ever since I heard about them. I kind of don't want to use it, and I just want to store it on a work counter just to look at it, but I do want to use it just to see how it compares to the beauty blenders that I use, or makeup sponges. My makeup sponges come from Primark or Poundland, and these are really expensive, so I was kind of like, what, when I saw this, and I couldn't believe it. So yeah, so that was those two gifts that she ordered me. And then this actually came first. Oh, actually, I got this from Beautylish as well. Some little samples, so we'll have to give these a whirl. Let me tell you what I got. Universal C Eye Perfector, Vitamin C. Oh, it tells you what that's for. Universal C Skin Reviver, Universal C Eye Perfector, and Universal Pro Bio. So they're kind of a set then, aren't they? Yeah. Right, so it says the ultimate power trio for bright, smooth, hydrated skin. In the morning and at night, apply Universal C Skin Refiner to clean dry skin. Apply Universal C Eye Perfector underneath and around the eye area, followed with Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. So I will be trying them. I just hope I don't fall in love with the products, because they don't exactly look cheap. So yeah, that came with the palette and the sponge to try. And then you will have seen this if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, why not? No, I'm only kidding, but if you don't, please go ahead and follow me over there. I'm nearly at 1k, and when I'm at 1k I think I'm going to be doing a small giveaway on the channel. I'd really like for you to be a part of that on Instagram. She also got me this blush. So we was talking about the Patrick Tar blushes, and this one is called Do We Know Her, and I was so tempted to order it, but I didn't because I'm on a low buy, and I've been looking at it for the last few weeks now, and obviously we know what Patrick Tar blushes look like and how expensive they are, and this is the one that has the cream plus the powder, and I have used it. I used it once. I used it in that video with the collaboration with Christina, her honey collab that we did, and I really liked the way it looked. So cream and powder, and you can get one that just has powder, and it's only a couple of pounds more to get this one, and I'm very much a cream blush lover at the moment. I'm trying to use this side of the blush or that side of the blush just so I don't wreck this bit here, but eventually I'll have to go into it. I'll probably save it for special occasions because it really is a bougie product. But saying that though, I do want to use my makeup. I do want to show a lot of love to my makeup. So yeah, this is everything that Karen got me for my birthday. I really do appreciate the kindness and generosity. You honestly didn't need to get me as much as you have done, but I do really appreciate it. So yeah guys, we'll leave the video here. I just wanted to show you what I was gifted, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.